Join me as I travel 272 meters in the sky to get a bird's eye view of Kuala Lumpur. I'll take you inside the Menara, which is the 7th tallest tower in the world, and show you around the sky observation deck. After meeting a random Frenchman, I face my fears of heights and take on the 100-meter challenge. I wrap up my day at the KL Bird Park, the world's largest free-flight walk-in aviary. And if you have no clue what that means, you are not alone. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm in the land where everybody calls me a boss. That's right, I'm in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, outside the Menara Tower, and we're gonna check it out. So right next to the Menara is the KL Eco Forest. Today is a Friday and it is the only day that the KL Eco Forest is closed. I'm gonna have to come back and check it out. Kuala Lumpur is a concrete jungle just like New York, and right in the middle of Kuala Lumpur they have the KL Eco Forest, which reminds me of Central Park. And you're gonna wanna lock into this video because later I'm gonna take a walk 100 meters above KL. So first rookie mistake already. I ended up buying my tickets online because I thought there was a package and it was on sale. It seemed like a good price. It came out to around 30 US dollars, which was around 130 ringgit. I got to the ticket booth and they're having a 66% off sale, all tickets. There are 3 different tickets that you can buy when you come to the Menara. You have the observation deck, the skybox, and the 100-meter walk. At the actual ticket booth, it costs around 16 US dollars. So until September, you want to buy your tickets in person because that's going to be your best deal.
Okay, so you're going to the sky deck first on your left side, okay?
Okay, perfect.
All right.
Awesome, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Have a good one.
Looks like I got my own elevator. I got my own elevator, got the VIP. So it's a quick 10-second ride and we are on the observation level. It's 360 degrees, not too much going on here, not too crowded. There's some shops here, you can buy little trinkets, souvenirs of Malaysia and some snacks, maybe grab a coffee. Cool thing is they have telescopes that you don't need to pay for. Look at those epic infinity pools and the view of the Petronas. So I'm originally from Seattle and this tower reminds me of the Space Needle, but the Menara has 200 feet on the Space Needle, so Space Needle has to step its game up. So the Menara has these various pillars and structures on the windows that kind of obscure the view, so you kind of have to angle yourself around while you're walking to get the perfect view of KLCC. Now we're gonna go upstairs and check out the sky deck. All right, so off the bat, this is way better. The sky deck is completely open air. There's no bars blocking the view. This seems a lot more popular than the sky deck. So basically what happens is you get to the top and on either side there is a skybox and they give you a ticket and you're basically queued up to go into one of the skyboxes. We're gonna see how long this takes to get into the skybox because it seems like there's at least like 60 people here, 60, 70 people queued up waiting to go take their picture at the skybox. So they have this map of the World Federation of Great Tower, and look what we have here. 206 in the building. So it's nice how there's no wires blocking the view. It reminds me of the Space Needle because before the Space Needle used to have no wires and you could just kind of like freely put your arm out there. But they had so many people committing suicide from the top of the Space Needle that they had to put in barricades to stop people from going over and jumping off. So crazy, crazy. in there. All right. See, this is the beautiful thing about traveling solo, is this you run into cool people. And this is my friend over here from France.
Yeah.
He's opening his own restaurant in Bali. He came out here, kind of clear his head before the big opening in October. How are you enjoying Malaysia?
It's very nice. Yeah, enjoying the view and meeting great peoples.
So tell me about your restaurant. You said he shared something with me that was pretty cool. He said the most important thing is sharing. You know, people are isolated in this kind of new world. People are more like socially anxious. He wants to create an environment where people can come and feel welcomed and share a meal together. If you want to expand upon that and why that means so much to you.
Yeah, you can't fight with the technology because it's too big, too present. And so I just say, okay, I will take all this technology, but I will put this on the table.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And sharing.
Okay. And what type of food are you gonna serve?
Tapas.
Tapas. Okay.
Yes. So I'm just writing with Google,
Yeah.
and I don't want to call me like Western in the Italian restaurant or something. It's
Yeah.
like just if you like food, please come.
Okay. 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 There you go.
This will be my type of restaurant.
You don't discriminate against any
No.
food palates.
Yeah.
So, starting a restaurant seems like such a tall task. How do you go about that in Bali? Is there permits? What's the process like of starting your own restaurant?
It's very difficult.
Yeah.
I say difficult because I'm alone on the project and starting to think of all the menu, all the staff, all the design also of the restaurant, because I'm doing also the plan.
Mhm.
And yeah, so this is a great experience,
Yeah.
and I wish I can teach people also to do this after.
Okay. Great. Has this been your dream, just to open up your own restaurant, or what sparked this idea?
My dream is connecting people.
Okay.
So I use the restaurant as a connector
Okay.
for people.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Well, I wish you a great amount of success, and I'll have to come check you out in Bali.
Yeah, of course.
So as you can see behind me, we have the skybox, and there's two skyboxes, one on this side and then one on the opposite side. And people have been queuing up for almost 2 hours. I'm not gonna tell you whether you should or should not go, but if you wanna wait 2 hours just to take a 2-minute photo out there, more power to you. After being up here for about an hour, it's time to go face my fear and do the 100-meter walk above KL.
Okay.
I'll see you then.
So the activity is only walking.
Okay.
The time you have here is only for 15 minutes here, 1-5.
1-5?
So you need to walk slowly because it's just small one round, okay?
Okay, one
Thank
round.
you.
Awesome, thank you.
So you can round.
Holy smokes. So we are currently 100 meters above KL. Oh man, it is completely see-through. The bottom is completely see-through. It actually isn't too crazy. Surprisingly, this is not too bad. See that guy I've just met, Alex, he's a really good dude, and you can tell because I couldn't fit my bag into the locker. So my bag was just gonna be out in the open for anybody to take. And he said like, bro, like, I know you don't trust me, like you don't even know me, here's my passport. So like he gave me his passport as like a sign of insurance that he's a good dude and he's not going to, you know, run off with my camera. This is pretty sick. Push me to the edge.
Push me to the edge.
If I survive the stinky tofu, I can survive a 100-meter walk. I don't know. What do you think? You think it's gonna be alright?
I don't know, man. I'm scared. You do have the scared expression.
Here we go. Stinky tofu. Surprisingly, like even though I am afraid of heights, this is pretty manageable, even though it is see-through all the way down. Oh wow, this is pretty sick. Yeah, this is the glass part. It's kind of freaky. Oh my god. Ah. That's pretty freaky. That's like some Final Destination type stuff. On the road, you should have never. Oh wow, you guys are, wow, they are pretty, look at that, that's pretty brave. Wow. Yeah, it's a little sketchy when it's windy up here.
It's very windy.
I'm glad I'm going inside now. Oh my god. I'm gonna go back again. This is too much fun. I'm gonna go back. So if you're watching this video, that means I made it out alive. We had the perfect timing because literally 5 minutes after, we have a torrential downpour in Malaysia. So I'm gonna put the camera away. Me and Alex are gonna go grab some food and wait out this bad weather. That graceful exit from the cab. So we are at the KL Bird Park. We're gonna check to see what's going on. It said it was the largest free flight bird park in the world. So we're gonna see what it's about, if it's worth it, and I'll follow. So the KL Bird Park costs 80 ringgit, which is around 20 US dollars for non-Malaysian citizens. It closed at 5:30, so you may want to get here early in the day. Me and Alex are gonna walk around and check out some birds. That's funny how even the garbage cans are bird themed. This dude is straight chilling. This is how I feel after too much socialization. You can do like Lady and the Tramp. Okay, I give up. Bro, look at all these birds. You ready? Yo, this dude kept taunting the birds with the waffle, and now they're all attacking him. See, you can tell where I applied my sunscreen and where I didn't. Somehow I thought my biceps were immune, but I gotta be more liberal with the sunscreen. After 2.5 hours of walking around, we have finally exited the bird museum, the bird park. Man, for $20, pretty extensive. 3 different parts to it, a lot of walking. It takes 3 to 4 hours to cover the entire ground. So if you wanna enjoy the full experience, come early. There's places to eat, places to grab water where you can take breaks in between and just kind of really enjoy yourself. But to get the full money's worth, you want to come earlier. I don't know. You guys have to make the decision on your own. $20 to see a couple of birds. It was an experience. But thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.